Hey you guys, happy Saturday. Today is my anniversary, official anniversary date. We are fresh back from Jamaica. We got back from Jamaica on Monday. And I went back to work on Wednesday, y'all, but I'm still freaking exhausted. Like, I'm exhausted. I cannot wait. I've already started editing the travel vlog for Jamaica, so I can't wait to post. You guys can see that we had a blast, y'all. But any more than 4 days it's too much for us. We did 4 nights, 5 days, and that was plenty of time. I was ready to get back home to the kids, so we had a really good time. Yeah, so I have a lot of projects coming up, y'all. Started the accent wall in my son's room. I can't wait to show you guys that. Also, I'm gonna be redoing some nightstands for my mom. Finally get them out from up under my hair. And then also we're gonna be doing a little DIY in the dining room. So I just have a lot of stuff that's coming down the pipeline. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. And yeah, so I miss you guys. Yeah, so I know that I've been kind of MIA, y'all, but we've been super busy at work. But it's finally starting to die down and kind of level back out. So I'm super excited about that. So I'll be able to put a lot more content out. I'm gonna start pushing 2 to 3 videos out a week. So wish me luck with that and sticking to that schedule. But y'all, yeah, I had a blast in Jamaica. I'm super excited to show you guys the content. I hope you guys like it. But yeah, so just be expecting. I have probably about 6 or 7 videos that are coming down the pipeline soon, the next week or two. So yeah, I'm super excited for you guys to see that. But yeah, so let me know in the comments what you guys have been up to. Has anybody traveled to Jamaica? Let me know in the comments. I would love to see hear your stories and your experience. We had a really good time. The locals were really super hard, but I learned a lot about Jamaica that I did not know. So yeah, I'm excited to share that with you guys. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. Sorry, my camera just went dead. I'm on my phone. So yeah, we're going to I'm headed to the nail shop, y'all, because I had to snatch all those nails off from Jamaica because that lady messed my nails up before I went to Jamaica. So I'm running to the nail shop now to get my nails. Be closed. Damn it, they closed. I have to go to the other nail shop, y'all. Yeah, I'm headed to the nail shop, y'all. That lady messed my nails, slapped up before I went to Jamaica. So I snatched those bad boys as soon as I got back home. So I'm headed to the nail shop because I'm looking a mess, y'all. And look, y'all, my husband upgraded my ring for our 6-year anniversary. I'm back. Look, nails still not done, y'all. I went to 4 nail shops. One of them was closed. One of them was really packed. The other one was appointment only. And then the other one, they messed me up last time, so I was scared to go back. So it is what it is. So nails are not done. Today is our anniversary, y'all. And look, I came home to this. How freaking cute this is. Look, y'all. So freaking excited. I cannot wait to open it up, y'all. So I'm gonna be dishing all about my first like high-end luxury bag on the next vlog. But yeah, I'm super excited. Y'all, so we're having a pretty awesome Saturday so far. So we're supposed to be going to dinner later tonight. So I'll show you guys like an outfit of the day and what we do. But yeah, so far we're just hanging out. Hopefully I can fix this light, but I doubt it. But yeah, y'all. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, it looks so freaking cute, y'all. Cute. I already know what it's about to be. Yeah, so freaking cute. Cute. Look at this little mini, y'all. Look how cute she is. Super cute. Love it. All right, you guys, and this is my outfit of the day. I just put on some black little faux leather leggings, and like a little turtleneck. And then I put on my new belt and my purse. I'll be dishing more about that later in another video. But for now, it's the next day. And you guys, we are starting the accent while I've been putting it off. And we're finally getting it started. And I'm really honestly just freestyling. I did go in and I put, I kind of drew out like a design on the actual wall itself. But I ended up completely changing what I had drew out. which I definitely don't recommend doing unless you know you're not going to change your mind. So yeah, I just started to kind of freestyle it, and it didn't take me very long. It took me 2 days because I ran out of boards. I ended up getting 6 boards. I had to go back and get 6 more. And you guys, I was supposed to record, or I thought I was recording when I went and got the other boards, but I ended up not hitting the play button, so I didn't record any of the final boards getting put up on the wall. All right, y'all, so I'm headed to grab me a loaded tea. And then back to the house. I just left Lowe's and then got the paint for the accent wall. So I'm pretty much going to be painting every wall in the room. I'm going to be painting all the additional walls. They're going to be painting a repulsed gray and like a satin finish. And then I end up getting the accent wall in Sharon Williams. And it's gonna, I got it in a flat paint because I really wanted it to pop. So yeah, I'm going to be painting. I'm going to go home and prep all the walls and I'll tape everything down for paint. I also picked up just a small can of the of sealing paint just to give it a fresh coat. And of course I'm gonna be painting the baseboards, making them icy white as well. But yeah, so it's gonna be a little bit of a project, but yeah, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and do today. I'm going back home because I have to work today. So yes, I'm actually going to be painting later on when I get a break in between work. Yeah, and I also picked up a new book I ordered off Amazon by Devin Franklin called Live Free. I'm going to start that today as well, just because I'm feeling like I need some more like just self-love, self-care. So yeah, I'm going to be start to read that book today. I heard it was a really good read, so I'm going to read that today. I'm going to start that one day this week and I'll let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, it's kind of I'm getting a late start on my day, so I'm kind of rushing to try to get back home. But yeah, so that's what the plan is for today. I cannot wait for you guys to see. I can't wait for the color to come out and see how the colors. I'm really nervous about it being too dark, but I'm just gonna roll with it because the other walls are gonna be kind of a lighter color, so it may end up balancing out. But it's just paint, so if I don't like it, I can always change it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So I'll catch you guys when I get back to the house. So bye. All right, you guys. So we are about to start taping off the wall to start prep for paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape everything down off and tape everything off, and then I'm gonna fill in all the nail holes. All these nail holes, I fill all those in. And I gotta patch up some stuff on these walls because these walls are gonna be painted repulsed gray. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing now. And then the exciting part, we can start painting, y'all. And I've chose the color peppercorn, Sharon Williams peppercorn. So yeah, so that's the color that I'm going to be painting, and I'm super excited to see how it turns out. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and start doing now. So yeah, so you'll see me just tape everything off and filling out nail holes. I won't show a whole bunch of that just because, you know, that's just kind of repetition. It's pretty basic. So yeah, but I'll show a little bit of that and then we'll start to paint, you guys. I'm super, super excited. I cannot wait to get this room done so he can get out. Look, it looks a mess now, but y'all, no worries. This is the calm before the storm. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started, y'all. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. We are painting today, prepping for paint, and we're gonna paint later on. So yeah, so let me just get you guys set up. All right, I'm going to be using this to fill in the drywall holes, any holes there with a little spackle, and then this is gonna be filling in any holes in the actual accent wall. So y'all, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna show a little bit of me doing that. But yeah, and y'all, I know I'm looking a mess, but whatever. So let me just go ahead and get that done. All the nail holes are filled. I even went and touched up the little holes on this wall from when the headboard was on there, and touched up all the few that we had on this wall and the drywall. So I'm thinking now sand down and paint. So that's what it's looking like not too many, but it looks like a lot. It looks like more than what it actually is. So again, this wall is going to be the Sherwin-Williams peppercorn, and then the rest of these walls are going to get a satin coat, and it's just this little corner here. A satin coat of repulsed gray. So yeah, that's what's looking like, y'all. So let me let this all dry, and I'll come back and sand it, and then we can go ahead and tape everything down to paint. So see you in a little bit. This little kitchen. It comes with 8 pieces like a roller, cut little. Some additional and then a painting. Alright, you guys, and I'm just gonna start putting the first coat of the paint on. And yeah, so I just kind of cut out all like the little the wood, and then I just rolled the rest of it. And this is the first coat, you guys, and it's looking so good so far. I have not done the second coat yet, which will be the final coat, and then they're going in and do all the baseboards and the casing, but that'll be done on the next vlog. Watch me turn these thrifted nightstands into something fabulous. Alright, you guys, and it is the next day, and I'm finally tackling these nightstands from my mom that she thrifted from the Goodwill. I think she paid about $25 for both of them, and she got them a couple of months back, and they've been in my house. I just have not had time to do them, and I've been putting it off and putting it off. So today was the day that I finally tackled it, and I ended up sanding it all down with my sander, and then I ended up filling in the original knob hardware hose, and then now I'm just going in with some stain. So I ended up choosing 2 different stains, because the first stain, which is like a bluish tone, it was too light, like a translucent color. So I ended up mixing that with like some walnut, and I'll leave both of those stain colors below to get this particular color. So yeah, I'm just gonna stain them, let them dry, and then come back, and then going to put the top coat on, the polyurethane, and then also the hardware, and we'll be good to go. Alright, y'all. I don't know what day this is. This day 6, 7, I don't know. Let's see if I can fix this. Alright, y'all. So we're about to start this accent wall I'll tell you guys about. We're gonna do. I took all my pictures out. I'll probably insert a clip of what it looked like before. They were just gray frames. I took all of them down. I ended up purchasing 3 more, and I'm finally gonna fix this light fixture, y'all, in the morning. I gotta go to the hardware store and get a strip to strip these wires down to make them smaller so they'll fit inside without coming out. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, I took all the frames down. I had 6 up here, 2 rows of 3, but I ended up getting 3 more from Michael's. So I sprayed all of them black like this. They were, you see this color gray? Let's see. They were this color gray. I just sprayed the front of them and the side of them black. So we're gonna do 3 rows of 3. And then I purchased, let me show you this little. I purchased these cute little light spotlights. They're gonna go on, get the base. Yeah, so I'm gonna do like a spotlight. I only have 2 lights, but I may end up getting another one and do 3. But we'll see. Yeah, so it's going to look like this on the wall. It's going to be hanging over the frames, kind of like a spotlight. So I'm going to install those, and I end up purchasing 2 of these battery powered lights to go in, since I'm not going to wire it for it with electrician. But I'm not going to wire it with like I'm not gonna wire it. So I'm gonna use the little push lights. Yeah, so that's what the plan is for the dining room. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna use black and white frames, pictures. I already have some black and white frames already. I need to get 3 more pictures in black and white. I might probably print those and order those online from Walgreens tonight and pick them up tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna use the one I already have, and I may end up changing a couple of them out to put some more application pictures in there. But yeah, so that's what the plan is tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the frames up on the wall, and so we kind of get an idea of how they're gonna look. And then yeah, so let me just move y'all over so y'all can see. So yeah, y'all, that is what it's looking like. Let me see. You guys see? Alright guys, now I'm going to go ahead and install the lights, and I picked up both of these lights from Amazon for about $31 for both. And I ended up getting the push lights to go inside, since they are not wired to go in top. They were also from Amazon as well. And you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and install the push lights, and then yeah, we're gonna be good to go. It was a simple, easy project, inexpensive. So yeah, I love the way it turned out. So I'll show you guys what it looks like at night as well when the lights are out. So super nice. Yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, just because it can go on for days. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on part 2 of this kind of home refresh. And thank you guys so much for clicking on the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.